Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess if you're new. Hi, I'm Jess. I am 35 from Melbourne and I am a self-proclaimed makeup hoarder. I'm proud of it. I love makeup. I do drugstore, indie brands, and pretty much whatever makeup comes my way, really. And today I'm super excited because my camera is being annoying. Sit there, please. Stay. Be a good boy. Does anyone else talk to inanimate objects or is it just me? I am doing a collab with the lovelies from Leorah Goldberg here on YouTube, as well as Nikki Raven here on YouTube. Hey guys, I am popping in as editing Jess. I forgot to mention that we are doing a face off, which means we can only use the 5 colors that Nikki chose for us out of the palette. A face off, I think it's basically when you guys choose who likes the best look. I'm not quite sure, but we all do a look with the 5 shadows chosen with the 1 palette. So it's a face off. I've never done a face off before, so it's fun. So thank you so much, ladies, for doing this collab with me. I'm super excited to meet you both, well, online at any rate. If you guys want somebody fun and colourful and quirky, go and follow these 2 women because they are lovely smaller YouTubers here on YouTube without the drama, because we're dramatic enough, as Nikki would say. I've got to say, these ladies are wonderful. I found them because of our love of indie brands, and we all bought the Lucky Bunny Cosmetics palette, which is the Envy palette. Super excited to be doing this collab with them. Basically what we are doing is we are using the 5 shades of the palette, and they are Jade, Trinity, Chastity, Trinity, Chloe, and Destiny. I have them on my eyeballs, and now you'll see how the look goes. But yeah, Leorah does lifestyle, she does weight loss videos, she does makeup, that's how I found her, but she does all sorts of makeup. She does colourful, bright makeup, and she also does hair wrapping tutorials, like hair turbans. She's from Jerusalem, which is cool. Nikki is from the Netherlands, and she is a colourful weirdo like me, and we all love colour around here, so which is why we all got this palette. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we? I've got a bunch of drugstore brushes that I'm going to be using, and going to use the Envy palette by Lucky Bunny Cosmetics. We'll link the video down below that I've done on that, and the green palette by them as well. I'm going to take Jade, which is this really pretty, like, deep emerald green. It's got like a pinkish blueness to it, but it's really pretty. Put that through my crease a little bit. It builds up really nice. Such a pretty colour. That was only 1 dip and it blends out effortlessly. We are allowed to cheat a little bit and use face powders, etc. if we need to add to the look. I'm just taking this mud translucent powder to blend it out a little bit more. And with Jade, just a little bit more. Deepen it up. It's just such a nice blend. Chloe, just to warm up my crease a little bit. Just such a unique green. really pretty. Okay, so that's how we're looking on the eyeballs at the moment. I'm thinking about like Destiny, which is this a beautiful slate grey colour. That's actually quite pretty. I'm going to take the brush from before, no other product on it or added. I actually love how it looks quite a lot darker on the outer corner. That looks really pretty. It is here on the lower lash line, and I'm going to take Chastity on the inner part of the lip where it's not got anything on it. Chastity first. That looks cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm actually really liking how that is turning out. I'm going to take Trinity and a mix of Jade. So those two, because I haven't used Trinity yet, on the lower lash line. So I've just mixed them together. That's looking cool. I like it a lot. I'm going to take Trinity on its own. Just in the center there a little bit. That's better. And if you do hear a cockatiel in the background, I've got cockatiels in my aviary. Alright, so I'm going to finish off blending a little bit more, finish off the look, do mascara, lips, that type of thing, and come back. Adding a gold waterline pencil, eyeliner pencil to my waterline, and it's an old one by designer brand by BB. So this is my camera being annoying. Thank you. So this is the actual finished look with the collab that I'm doing for the Envy palette by Lucky Bunny. I think the look turned out really pretty. I got to use some colours that I haven't used before in the palette. So I just want to say thank you for Leorah and Nikki for doing this collab with me. It's been really fun. We all love indie brands, and yeah, I think it turned out really cool. So yeah, I do hope you stick around if you're from Leorah and Nikki's channel, and please do go and check out their videos and tell them that you are from Jess. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in another video soon.